Can I buy from TikTok Shop on PC? Currently, TikTok Shop is optimized mainly for mobile devices, so you cannot complete purchases directly from a PC or laptop. While you can view product videos, browse listings, and explore creator recommendations on the web version, the actual checkout process must be done through the TikTok mobile app. This ensures faster transactions, better integration with payment systems, and a smoother overall experience for buyers. The desktop version of TikTok focuses more on video browsing and product discovery rather than direct purchasing. You can see tagged products and learn more about them. But when you click to buy, TikTok will prompt you to switch to the app. This is because most of TikTok's commerce features, like live shopping and instant checkout, are built specifically for the mobile interface. If you prefer browsing on a larger screen, you can still use your PC to find interesting products or creator shops. Once you find something you like, simply open the same item in the TikTok mobile app to complete your order. This hybrid approach allows you to enjoy a seamless shopping flow between your computer and phone. You can try Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to the best tools to optimize and grow your TikTok Shop business effortlessly.